Hi everyone, welcome. Today we'll be making a special German recipe. Yes, and it's called quack bacon in German. Yes, it's in English, it's called cheese donut, and in Austria, where I live, it's called Topfen bacon. So for this recipe, we'll be using it's like puff puff, what we call puff puff in Nigeria, but with healthy cheese in it. Yeah, with the farmer cheese or the curd cheese. Yeah, for this recipe, I'll be using one egg, 50 grams of sugar, 125 grams of curd cheese, or what we call Topfen in the German region, pinch of salt, 3 grams of baking powder. If you don't want to mention, just a little bit. Yeah, 100 grams of flour, vanilla flavor, lemon zest, 1 tablespoon of oil, and 25 grams cornstarch. Yes, so it's time to get started. First of all, you add one egg to the bowl with the vanilla flavor, lemon zest, and sugar. Beat it very well. You can either use your hand mixer or you can whisk it together with your hand until you have a smooth consistency. Now see how delicious it's looking already. It's time to add the cheese. You add the cheese and mix it together until you have a smooth batter. Yes, when it's smooth, it's time to sieve in the flour, and after thereafter you go ahead to mix it thoroughly until you achieve a very smooth consistency. Yeah, it's the dough is thicker, the batter is thicker than that of puff, so you can actually form it. So now it's time to rub your palm with a bit oil and form little balls out of this. With this recipe, I was able to get 13 balls. They weren't so big, they weren't so small. So it depends on the size of your ball will determine the quantity you're getting. So my balls are looking beautiful. They are already formed, and I have already preheat my oil. Now it's time to fry them. Place them into the pot, fry them until they are golden brown. This will take you around 5 to 7 minutes. Also depends on the size of your ball. Now see how beautiful these are looking. Mm, I know some of you will confuse it with puff puff, but it's not. Yeah, it's a bit healthier because first of all, cheese is rich in protein, and I like to do this for my family. It's also a way of, yes, they are eating snacks, but it's not just flour and sugar. Yeah, try this recipe and it tastes good. You will definitely like it. Thank you for joining us today. We'll see you on the next one. Dankeschön. Bye bye. Tschüss.